this tutorial, we will go over how to create your first Hello World using IntelliJ IDEA. If you do not have IntelliJ IDEA already installed, you can go to JetBrains.com, head over to Developer Tools, download IntelliJ IDEA from the download button. They do have the ultimate version, which is paid, or you can use the community version, which is free. It supports both Windows, Macs, and Linux. Once you have IntelliJ IDEA installed, you should see a page something like this where you hit new project. Let's call this tutorial, and then we'll go ahead and press enter. It'll go ahead and launch everything, get everything going for you. All right, we're gonna wait for this to finish indexing, which is all good. We'll go to source, the main, and then you have a folder here called Java. We're gonna right click, go to package, and then the normal way to do this would be like .net or net, like super scary, and then we'll do this a package called like tutorial. In the tutorial package, we'll go ahead and create a class called main, and it'll auto generate this for us. Per Java norms, we'll do a public static void main, and then it'll take in an array of arguments, and then that will be our main runner. Since we want to print to the console hello world, we're going to use the built-in packages of system.out.println, and then in here we're going to input a string, which is any series of characters. We're going to do hello world. Pretty self-explanatory, nothing too crazy. We'll hit run, and look at that, hello world, build successful, good to go.